Now, let's begin this non-moving form of meditation. The name is Union of Three Hearts. Union of Three Hearts has 3 steps. First step, focusing energy, qi, in your dantian. Second step, qi travels up and down in your central meridian. Third step, bring qi to your niwan. Some people say the upper chakra. Very simple. But the preparation for union of 3 hearts is very important. And now let's start with the preparation. I want to talk about the position first. You can sit like me, sitting on the floor. And if you do the lotus position, cross your leg, then it's left over right. I'm not doing mirror image. I'm doing my side. Your left over right. Hand also, left over right. But I would like to address the purpose of sitting like lotus position is to make your foundation very stable. It's not a must. It's not that people can do full lotus will have a better meditation skill than the one only can sit on the chair. It's not like that. The position is only helping you to sit more steadily, more stable. So if you sit on the floor, you can even do like that. The leg just not overlapping. Also fine. You start with that, then single lotus. If you are ready, you do the full lotus. But I want to bring your attention that it is not good you sit like this. See, your knees higher than your hips. It is not good for your lower back. So you may want to sit a little bit higher. Like now, I don't have pillow underneath. You could put a pillow underneath to lift up your hips. Or you sit on the chair, put your feet flat, like the practice when we did Zhengtian movement. That is fine. So right now, please choose from these 2 positions, either sitting on the chair or sit on the floor. Let's begin. Relax your body. Hands start from your laps. By now, you already know Zhengtian movement quite well. So in this session, I will not do Zhengtian movement in mirror image. I'll start. Let's begin. Bring the hands in front of your mouth. Blow. Left hand up, merging with heaven. Down, connecting with Mother Earth. When we meditate, you can meditate with open eyes or closed eyes. What is important is when you feel some tightness in your body, anytime you can move, adjusting your neck, adjusting your shoulders. Anytime you allow to move, to release the tightness. What we want is relaxation. You are very relaxed. If the deep breathing helps you, you do that. Relax your entire body. Because I'm giving you this session, I may open my eyes talking to you, but I recommend you close your eyes. easier to feel the deep relaxation. You elongate your body. Your pelvis, your legs are very relaxed. There's a heavy feeling. Bring you down. So stable. And your head has no weight. Spine elongating up. That brings your body straight. Every part of your body is loose, relaxed, effortlessly. When we relax, when we are meditating, we are not alone. You are with the room. You are with nature. You are with the power of love. That beautiful feeling is surrounding you, is inside you. That sweet feeling is in the surrounding and inside you. Love is not just a word. Love is feeling. You feel that sweetness and the strength. You merge with that strength. As you are relaxing your body, full of qi, full of love, little by little, you feel you have an energy body. Little by little, full of love in your heart. You become a big body of love. What is reality? What is not real? Who create the reality? Your energy, your inner state, full of love. When you want to finish this session, take a deep breath and slowly open your eyes. This is the preparation for the meditation called Union of Three Hearts. At the end of each practice, we do Zhongtian movement again to thank the universe. Very grateful to heaven, very grateful to earth, very grateful to our parents, gave us this life.